January 12th lunch. Let's find. Typically when Daddy's at work, we decide to just snack during the day. So our lunch snack today is sauteed portobello mushrooms and a banana. I thought she approved of the mushrooms, but her last bite proved otherwise. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. One bite?
No.
Try it. It's super yummy. Okay. You want to try a bite? You want to try some? You want me to eat?
You want a bite?
Mm.
You want a bite?
No, thank you.
You want a bite?
No, thank you. You eat it.
No. You want a bite?
No, you eat it. Thank you, though.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Papa.
Where?
You go. Yellow.
Is your banana good?
Yellow. Yellow.
It's green.
Yellow. 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 Yellow.
Where's yellow?
Yellow.
Where's yellow?
Yellow.
Where's yellow?
Yellow.
Where is it?
Yellow.
Nope. That's green.
Yellow.
White.
Yellow.
Red. What?
Yellow.
You want a bite? Oh, careful. You want me to cut it? You want me to cut it?